Hello friends, myself Pooja Yadav Agnihotri and I am welcoming you all to my channel Me and Maths. Thanks a lot for liking, watching and subscribing my channel. But if you hadn't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and gain the knowledge. The topic today we are going to discuss is place value. In earlier class, we have discussed place value, but that place value, that was not actually place value, that was the thing which helped you naming numbers. For naming numbers, the portion of place value we need to discuss, I have discussed that earlier. But today, the whole class focus on place value only, and we will learn how to locate the place value of any number in a particular numeral and many more things. Let's start our class. So for discussing place value, let's take an example as 5, 7, 9, 8. This is a number and the question asks us what will be the place value of underlying number. The underlying digit is 7. So they want to ask what will be the place value of 7. So for doing this, as we know, the rightmost number is ones, and then it's tens, then hundreds, and then thousands. So these are the places of every single place value of every number. 8 comes at ones room, ones place, then 9 at tens place, 7 at hundreds place, and 5 at thousands place. We have discussed this thing earlier, and using these places we have learned how to name a number. As 5 comes to 1000, we will write 5798. Today we have to understand what is the place value of a particular number, as they have asked the place value of 7. So can you tell me at which room or which cell 7 comes? 7 comes at hundreds place. So the place value of 7 will be 7 and 2 zeros. As 100 has 2 zeros, it is 700. We'll just write 700. 5 at thousands place. The place value of 5 will be 5000. Let's have next example. That is, this was method 1. We can use one more method. It's quite simple for finding place value, as it written 6, 7, 8, 2. And you have to write the place value of 6. What we do for writing the place value of 6 over here, what we do, we will copy that number down and then count how many numbers are written after 6. So this is the 6, and how many numbers are written after 6? 1, 2, 3. So we will put 3 zeros over here, and this will be the place value of 6. If they ask what will be the value of place value of 8, we will write 8, we will copy down 8 and check how many numbers are written after 8. There is only one number, that is 2, written after 8. We will put 1 0 after 8. This is the method through which we can find out the place value of any single number. So with the help of these two methods, you can locate the place value of any number, either by a place value form or by writing zeros, and the answer will be same. Now let's discuss some word problem regarding place value, as the question which comes to you in the competitive level will be like, what will be the difference of PD for place value of 5 in 6575. This is the number, and you have to find the difference of place value of both the 5s. So this 5, we will write this 5, and how many numbers after this? 2 numbers. So we will put 2 zeros, and place value of unit number is 5 only. We have to find the difference of this. So what we will do? We will subtract it and we get the answer. It will be 495. we'll do subtraction as the question asks. If it asks what will be the sum, what will be the sum? Sum means add. So we have found value till here, the place value of 5. The question is same. What we have changed over here, we just have written sum in place of difference. And now how we'll do? We'll have written place value of both the numbers. Now we'll add it. We'll add it here. So our answer will be 505. Okay. If they ask what will be the product, what will be the product of place values of 5? Same question. Now we have to, product means multiply. So we will multiply. The answer will be 2500. Now if they ask what will be the remainder of place value of 5 in 6575, these operations might be difficult for you, as if you hadn't read them till now. If you know plus, minus, multiply, divide, it will be easy. Remainder is a thing. When we divide two things, if something left, it is known as remainder. Over here, if we divide 500 from 5, we get 0 as remainder and 100 as quotient. If they ask quotient, it will be 100, and if they ask remainder, it will be 0. So these are the variation of word problems regarding place value. You can have some more questions on the place value, like you will have a question like 76382, and you have to find the place value of largest and smallest number. You have to tell the place value of largest and smallest number. So which is the largest number in this? 8, that is 8, and the smallest number is 2. So the largest number, how you will solve, I am telling you an answer. The largest number is 8 and smallest number is 2. So place value of 8 will be 80, and place value of 2 will be 2 only, as it is. That's all regarding this topic, and thanks a lot for watching this video and my other videos. Thank you so much for sharing and liking the videos and subscribing it. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, subscribe it, share it more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.